Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert Figma design to WordPress tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. If you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaborative software, click the link in the description below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now, in today's video, we will be showing you how you can convert any Figma design into a WordPress website where you can also modify it in WordPress as well. Now, for example, this is like WordPress over here. You will be able to have this entire thing, but with a specific page or multiple pages in Figma. So let's open a design first. For example, we have this one over here. Simply open the design that you wish to convert and wish to turn into a WordPress. And there we go. Then after that, you're going to have to select a design. So for example, for me, I'm going to go with this one over here and this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to be utilizing a plugin. So simply click on this part over here, the top right, the resources. You can also access it by clicking on Shift-I. And over here, click on plugins. And you're simply going to search for Yotako. Now, Yotako is not the name of the specific plugin, but Yotako is the creator of this plugin that we will be using today. And this is the plugin that we need. It is a Figma to WordPress plugin, which would allow us to convert our WordPress website from Figma to WordPress very easily. So simply click on Run over here. Now, here we go. This is our design over here, or our plugin. This is what we will be using. So the first step is to enter and share our design with Yotako. So simply click on share over here on the top right of Figma and get the link of your website. You can also copy your link over here itself. Click on paste, click on create your website, and simply give it a few seconds to load so that we could actually move on to the next step. There we go. Now, step one is to select the frames that you would like to convert. For example, we have this one, design promos. Simply look for the specific output or the specific frame that you want to convert. There we go. We have this one, add frames as main page. There we go. And then we could select another page. For example, we could go with the other version and we could add it as another page. So we could have it as a post page or a normal page. Let's go with a normal page for now. And there we go. We now have two pages over here, the main page and like another page over here. Then you could add a screen size if you want. You could also add more pages. You could select all the designs that you have of your website. It is completely up to you. But for us, we're going to go with these two designs for now. After that, simply click on continue. And it's going to ask you if you want Yotako AI assistants to help detect some interactive and WordPress elements, but we don't have any of that to the design that I have selected. So we're simply going to go with maybe some other time. And step 2, select viewpoint. We have our desktop over here. Select the element or the header that you want to have. We don't have a header with ours, but the ones that I use are PNGs. So we can't add any of that. So we're going to go back. You can do the same thing for the footer, post blocks, and other forms as well. But I'm not going to select any of that. So simply click on continue and continue without selecting for now. And there we go. Simply click on continue for the last step, which is the summary. Click on continue and there we go. Now you will be able to see this process over here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 processes. Right now, we're currently on the third process, which is parsing our design. Now, you're simply going to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on the amount of pages that you're trying to convert. Of course, the bigger the amount or the more amount of designs and frames that you have selected, the longer it's going to take, because it's going to be uploading a lot of images and a lot of elements into their platform, which will allow it to be converted to a WordPress theme or a WordPress website. So simply give it a few minutes and I'll get back to you guys once it is finished uploading. And there we go. It is currently done. We can now simply click on preview over here, the button preview, so that we could preview our WordPress website. So let's see the output that Yotako was able to produce. we go. We are building your preview, so simply give it a few seconds once again. If you want to try it out while it is building a preview, like using it on other outputs as well, you are free to do so. For example, we could go with another page over here. Let's look for this one over here. Simply select the frame, but we have to open the plugin first, of course. Do the same process that we did earlier. Enter the Figma URL, click on create your website, and we're going to select the same frames, or rather another frame for us to check out. There we go. Select the frame that you want, which is this one. Let's delete this one for now. Yes, remove it. Then select the frame that you want to add. There we go. Then add this frame and click on continue. The process is very simple. This is very straightforward. So let's view this one, and there we go. We now have our design over here. Then this is the design taken from our output over here. Let's check out the original one. Actually, it's not going to be perfect, of course. You're going to have to modify a lot of different stuff, but as you can see, like the yellow background is missing from this one. So what you could do is you could click on WordPress dashboard, and you will have a dashboard like the actual WordPress over here, but this time it is within Yotako. But you will still be able to use it and like do the different configurations, do the different changes, same process that you would normally do with the WordPress themes over here, but this time it will be in Yotako. Like you could add or change the appearance, the plugins, the users, tools, comments, pages, and other items as well. It's all the same processes, and you will be able to do the same things that you are usually able to do, but this time it will be in Yotako. It needs to be within Yotako because, of course, it is the plugin that we use to convert our Figma to WordPress. Then you can still do the same process like deploy or download and all of those stuff. As you can see, the Yotako or this plugin is very amazing. It has a lot of potential, and you are able to convert with ease, and it would not take a long time for you to actually convert it. It actually took us like less than 5 minutes or less than 3 minutes to be able to convert our design. Even if I cut out the part of the video where I was waiting, it actually wasn't that long. So it is a very good plugin. I suggest that you should use it on other platforms, or rather other designs that you use, and you will be able to easily turn it into a dashboard or like a WordPress website. And although like what we saw earlier, although it had a hard time with like the actual output, wherein like the design is actually very not that similar. Let's actually view this one. This one is the second one, I think. Yeah, one's the second one, and this one is the black version. There we go. This one looks better because it has a black font over here. It is still very good. You can click on deploy over here or download if you want to download the design itself. But as you can see here, there are plans in Yotako if you want to know more information about it. Right now, we are currently using the free version where we have 1 GB of storage, and we are only able to use the Yotako domain. There are hobby, growth, and business over here. Simply check it out if you want to know more about it. And you can also host different websites or different WordPress account and websites in Yotako. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to convert your WordPress website, or rather the opposite way, your Figma design into a WordPress website. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.